Tomorrow on Home and Family, actor James Brolin from Hallmark Channel's Royal Hearts is here. And actress Lori Loughlin is talking about the new season of Hallmark Channel's When Calls the Heart.
Welcome back, everybody. We are back with Maria, who is showing us how to get craft tea with personalized tea bags and adorable charms. I love this idea.
Isn't this fun? Well, and we're getting very fancy today. You know, people who love tea, they love tea. They're
really
very passionate.
It's an experience,
It
not
is
just the tea.
Exactly.
It's the time that you have tea.
Exactly.
Right.
I love that you
share.
said
The
that
tea
it's
time.
the experience. And so in order to make tea time very special and fancy, I created these beautiful charms that go on the tea bags. And I'm actually going to show you, because a lot of really great quality tea comes in the form of loose leaf tea.
Yes.
So I'm going to show you how to make the bags as well. But you can see over here, look how beautiful these are. And of course, on your mugs that you guys were holding earlier, I did a crown and a heart for the premiere this weekend of Hallmark Channel's Royal Hearts.
Is that what it was? I thought it's because you knew that Mark had a heart, and I thought this was the Crown Media.
Yeah, I know. It looks
So
exactly.
what you're saying is I don't have a heart now because this is
So you do
something else.
now.
I do now.
You're welcome.
Well, right now you do.
Apparently this is the Grinch's heart because it's very
growing
small.
bigger and bigger.
You know, James Brolin is coming on our show tomorrow.
I'm very excited.
He's going to be joining us for the movie.
So I can show him when he gets here how to do this, but
And
today
we
I'm
can
going to show
give
you
them
guys.
some
And
charms.
we'll
All
have
right,
some
so
tea and we'll have
And some
lots of
tea.
things. Okay.
So
what do we
what do
need?
we do?
What do we do?
Okay, so this is a really fun new thing that I am very excited about. So these are actually called Mod Podge molds, and you use Mod melts. So a lot of mod going on.
Mod.
So what you can see if you look over here, so they come in the form of sticks, like a hot glue gun stick,
Okay.
and then you have your little molds here, and they come in a variety of different sizes and shapes and themes. So whatever theme, if you're having a party, you can do it for a party.
So are these just random molds? that you
These
bought?
are part of like the brand.
part of the
yeah.
thing.
Okay.
And so
Wow.
then some string, or you can use thread, and then some scissors. And then what you want too is that you want to get this little guy here, it's like a glue gun.
That's what so it's like
And-
a glue gun, but for Mod Podge.
But for Mod Podge, and then your loose leaf tea. Then to do the tea bags, you want to do some loose leaf tea, some coffee filters, and just a stapler.
Okay, that's it.
Very simple, quick and
If
painless.
you don't have the melts in this, could you use a glue gun and do this?
So I wouldn't necessarily do these with like a glue gun and the
Right.
glue sticks that go with
Yes.
it. I would use this specifically. These come in different colors, so I'll show you how to do it. So what you do is you have this. Now, if you wanted to use a glue gun, you could
Use this with
these
a glue gun.
But because
But don't use the glue from the glue gun.
exactly,
To fill up the
I
mold.
mean, I would
Okay.
recommend using this because I use my glue. My glue gun is like connected to me.
Yes,
So
it is.
I would recommend if you're going to do this, get this, and then you can use it for a number of different things, and use your glue gun for using it what you would normally do.
Okay.
So this is very exciting. So you can see we have a bunch of different shapes and everything over here, and so I'm going to do. Let's do a little flower, and so it melts in the same exact way that a glue gun would. And then you just melt it out like that, or pump it out like that, and as it is still melty, I take my piece of string and err on the side of err on the side of caution. Get a long, cut a longer string, and then you just put it in. And then what you can do is I use like a little bit of a toothpick just to do that. And then even if you needed to spread it around to like cover the little indentations, you could use a toothpick to do that as well. And then you want to just let it set completely.
For how long does it take to cool?
You know, it's almost sort of like any kind of paint it depends on the weather and it depends on your environment. But in my experience, it does not take that long. It's about 15 to 20 minutes.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah,
You can
and
pop them out, okay.
and even though that's still, the best way to tell is just really putting your hand underneath and you can feel the heat. And this is one that I did earlier, and look how beautiful that is. I know. And then so I can just set that
But
here.
yours are
and
different
then,
colors.
So it's very simple. You can get creative in this little aspect where, like, I can even show you here. I had a little bunny that I did.
Adorable. Do
Isn't
these
that
molds come in different colors?
yes, so those come in different colors
sticks
as well.
do.
The little
Yeah,
sticks.
the
The
sticks.
sticks.
Sorry.
And so then you take your little guy here, and then you just paint it.
Oh, this is great, Maria.
Isn't that exciting? I mean, I am not lying to you guys. Everybody was so excited about these today. Our whole prop department was like, what?
And you said that the molds come in the same area that you would get the sticks.
Exactly. So you can get this at the craft supply
But then
store.
not as a set.
No, they come all separately.
Okay.
And so then you can go to the craft supply store and then just find them all together there.
How do you do the tea bag though? I'm
So
trying to figure this out.
I was really excited about this because you know when you get the metal things that you put loose leaf tea in, that it can kind of, the pieces of tea
fall out.
Yeah, they're floaters.
Yes. you
So
put them in.
this is how this is just a regular old coffee filter that costs like nothing.
Yeah.
Fold it in half, take your scissors, and then you want to cut the rounded part off. And then just put that aside. And then you take some of your beautiful, open it back up, take some of your beautiful tea.
Is that oolong?
Yes.
Or is that dulse? Dulse.
And then you take it and you just want to roll the edge. That was actually really funny. There's not a tea in dulse. What?
Where's the tea?
And then-
Shocking of Kim to correct people's spelling.
Fold it in half.
She spells her name with a Y.
And then, yeah, right? And then you fold it again. So then it creates your little, did you guys see that? Okay, here.
Look at that.
See, you fold and then fold.
Again.
And it creates your little bag. So then take your...
That's a much nicer tea bag than the ones that you buy at the store.
Exactly. And then you take this and you take your scissors.
Your staple,
I'm
you mean?
Scissor- yeah.
It's okay.
This is like when I was trying to glue things to the wall the other day.
Was
You
this
take-
yours in school? Can we just get a
You
shot
know,
of that?
I am very...
Did you write that in preschool? Did you have
Is that how bad my penmanship is?
No, it's just funny that you... That's Maria's stapler. Don't touch it.
You know what? Are these? Yep, these. Have
They
my
say
name on
Maria?
them.
Oh
You know
my
what? I just like to label my things. Okay. And then Debbie, you. Now I'm blushing, and I didn't even do that correctly.
Oh, look at that.
Got it. There you go.
And then you do that.
Adorable.
Look how cute. Yep. See, and then you can just dip it into your hot cup of water, and then you have tea.
But I don't want to throw the charms away after I've used the tea
Oh
bag.
yeah, you can. So what you can do, because it's on, the string, and if you are really wanting to reuse these again, you can just
Yeah.
make sure the string is a little bit longer. But you know what? You can cut these off, and then you could just glue another thing on there. But you could also, oh, my lipstick's on there. Sorry. And then I'm so classy today. We're very fancy with our tea. But yeah, you could put them on almost anything. Like if you have, I always use a planner. You could actually put stuff that's like little charms on almost anything.
I feel like it'd be like a charm bracelet for
Even
our
that.
babies.
That would be cute.
Wouldn't it be adorable? Thank you so much, Maria.
Maria.
I wasn't teasing you about your preschool
Are
stapler.
you sure
I
that's
love it.
hers? Because I
Listen,
don't
I don't
think
think
they're
what-
just
there's
like
another
that.
Maria Provenzano here. That's maybe confusing. For more instructions on this DIY, please go to hallmarkchannel.com.
You're cut off. You don't get
Label
any
your
tea.
cell phone that way as well.
Yes.
Coming up, actress Saffron Burrows is here. She's going to tell us how she's bringing Jackie Kennedy to life in a new one-woman show.